Hello students, a very good morning to you. Hope you're all safe. Myself Neha and welcome back to your English literature class. From today onwards we will start with our new book, that is English literature book, as we have already done with our novel, that is Mowgli. So open your literature books at page number 5. Open your books, chapter number 1, page number 5, and chapter name is Oliver Finds a Home. This story is taken from novel Oliver Twist, written by Charles Dickens. Oliver is a small orphan boy. Orphan means anath. Oliver runs away from the orphanage because he was ill-treated there. Unfortunately, he was trapped by thieves. The thieves take him to rob a house. But are stopped by the servants. All the thieves run away, leaving him wounded in the house. Mrs. Marley and Rose, along with their servants, live in that house. After looking at the bad condition, or you can say wounded condition of Oliver, Mrs. Marley called up the doctor. Doctor diagnosed Oliver for long time and asked for few things like warm water and clean sheets. Then doctor returned to the dining room to speak to the ladies. Both Mrs. Marley and Rose inquired about Oliver's health. Then doctor replied that he will be well again in a week or two. Then the doctor asked them, did they see the thieves? Then both of them replied, no. Both Mrs. Marley and Rose were kind-hearted. They thought that Oliver is just like mere poor child. He can't be a thief and don't want to send him to the jail. Doctor advised them not to talk in front of Oliver. Let him take the rest. In the evening, when Oliver woke up, he was tired but wanted to tell both of them about his story. He said, the thieves wanted me to do all the robbery and at last they left me wounded here. Both ladies were moved or become emotional after listening to his story. Then Mrs. Marley decided to save him at any cost from the police and prepared the servants what to say when the police arrive. When the police asked servants about the robbery, then they said the robbers were two evil-looking men and little Oliver wounded himself earlier while playing. The police believed the servants and left the Oliver. Mrs. Marley and Rose took care of the Oliver and sent him to a teacher every morning to learn how to read and write. Now, Oliver was very happy and lived a peaceful and perfect life. This was about the explanation of the very first lesson, Oliver Finds a Home.